not kidding. So guys, I got this package from Eden. So let's do an unboxing. So when I was in World I saw the girl is posting about these, what do you call them, lip gloss. So I purchased one because I'm a lip gloss girly. And I purchased one when I was going to World and I posted it in my slide. And they have reached out to me that they want to send me some goodies. And I said, sure, no problem. My girl is always love goodies. So they arrived. So let's do an unboxing. So I just opened my box. This is what inside is looking like. I got a note. Yeah, I'm gonna do a video unboxing it. Be right back. So the box got whiny. So now I open it. There's all my goodies inside. So let's do an unboxing. So this is a moisturizer. So that. And this is a mist. I love me some goodies. But guys, the lip gloss is really nice. Make your lips soft and hydrated, of course. Summer, the time is hot. Keep hydrating your face, baby. Ooh. You see what I said? A lip softening balm. Yeah, make your lip soft and juicy. Yeah. Let's put on this one. Ooh, it's chocolate. Look at it. Ooh. It tastes like chocolate. Not too lot, no. Got a color. Oh man, yeah. So I have 2, 4, 8 of this. 8 different colors, and I have this one. Yeah.
So guys, the video you just watched was Elaine Thompson-Herah sharing a beautiful moment with you, telling you guys and showing you guys the kind of things she bought from the supermarket. Anyway guys, let me hear your opinions. What do you think about the things that she bought? And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.